বসে না পড়ে।
Welcome to all of you. Today we will discuss the learning chapter and how can we solve the problems of the reduction of levels. If the tabular format of the reduction of levels of foreside, backside, intermediate side is given, then you can easily calculate by using height of instrument method or rise and fall method. But if the tabular format is not given, then how can we prepare that table? Then station, backside, foreside, intermediate side, rise, fall or RL. If the data is written in this format, suppose this is the given question. Intervals is equal to 20 meter. That means the station 1, station 2, station 3, each successive interval is 20 meters. And these are the readings. 2.375, 1.730, 0.615, 3.450, 2.835, 2.85, 2.070, 1.835, 0.985, 0.435, 1.630, 2.255 and 3.630. Suppose these are the given data. Then how can you prepare the tabular format? There's preparation of table. Which one is foreside, which one is backside? Nothing is written in it. Then how can it is? But yes, there is some hint is which given in the question paper. That instrument changes in shifting of instrument. Shifting of instrument. मतलब instrument का shift हुआ है. The shifting of instrument is after 4th and 8th reading. After 4th and 8th reading. मतलब 4th और 8th reading के बाद instrument shift हुआ है, change हुआ है. So first we check. This is the first reading. Our first point. You can check easily. This is the first point. That means definitely to the back side. First point of survey is the back side. Then last point of survey. This is the foreside. The first point, the starting point of survey is the back side. Ending point of the survey is the foreside. Next, the instrument is shifted after the fourth reading. Reading 1, reading 2, reading 3, reading 4. That means after this reading, fourth reading, 1, 2, 3, 4, the instrument is shifted from one location to another location. That means this is the last reading for the station 1. In any setup, this is the fourth reading is the last reading for station 1. Next you shift to station 2. Next there is a change point, station 3. So it is given again, shifting of instrument. After the fourth readings and 8th readings, instruments are changing, instruments are shifted from one location to another location. So that means after the fourth reading, the instrument is shifted 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the last point for the first session. That means it will be a foreside. Now you can check easily. There is a backside, foreside. In between them any reading. The readings between backside and foreside is known as intermediate side. So these two readings are intermediate side, intermediate side. Clear? First reading is the backside, last reading is the foreside. Any readings between them are the intermediate readings or intermediate sides. So now this is the one station. From one station we complete the survey. That means these four readings are collected from a single station. Again instrument shifted. So instrument shift. After 8th reading, the next shift. So we count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again after the 8th reading, instrument is shifted. अगर instrument shift हुआ है, that is the last point for the station 2. For the station 2, this 8 number is the last reading, so it will be 4 side. And this point will be back side. This is the starting. 4th के बाद अगर 5 number station रीड करेंगे उसका रीडिंग लेंगे तो दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट पॉइंट फॉर द न्यू स्टेशन. दिस इज व्हाट सेटअप डाटा मींस बैक साइड इंटरमीडिएट फोर साइड ओवर. Again the starting of survey, ending of survey. Instrument first then shifted to new station. This is the first point and this one is the last point. So first point will be back side, last point will be fourth side. Any readings between them are known as intermediate. So this is intermediate side. I think clear. Again there is the rest of the reading which is taken from the third station. That means these are the setup of data up to this. This is the station 2. These readings are taken from station 1. Now move to the station 3. These readings are taken from the third station. That means there is 3 setup of instrument. First you set up the instrument at station 1, collect the 4 reading 1, 2, 3, 4. Next station 2, collect the readings 1, 2, 3, 4. Next third station, collect the readings 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the first reading is the back side, last reading the fourth side. Any readings between them, that is known as intermediate. I think it's clear. There is no difficulties. So the first reading for the new station is the first point. For the third station, this point is the first. So it will be back side. This is the last point. It will be fourth side. Any readings between them will be intermediate. Intermediate side. The standard format of the readings is back side, intermediate side, fourth side. एक intermediate side हो सकता है, दो हो सकता है, पांच हो सकता है. That is no issue. But minimum there should be one back side, one fourth side. If intermediate side is not there, there is no big deal or big issue. You can write here back side and fourth side. Minimum back side and fourth side is required because you start the survey from back side, end the survey from fourth side. First point the survey start करना है, end करना. The starting point is known as back side, ending point fourth side. Again starting point back side, ending point fourth side. Again starting point back side, ending point fourth side. Any readings between them are known as intermediate side. So if this concept is clear, then you can easily prepare the table. But important thing is this: after the fourth reading, instrument is shifted. That means first, second, third, fourth. After this reading, the instrument is shifted. Then after the eighth reading, instrument is shifted. That means 4, 5, 6. So 5, 7, 6, and 8. So this is 4 setup data. First station you collect the 4 data, second station you collect the 4 data, third station you collect the 4 data. That means first is the back side, last is the fourth side. Any reading between them is the intermediate. So now we prepare the table. So when I prepare the table, first one is the station. Next, you can include the chainage if it is given in the question paper 20 meter interval. Otherwise, if you don't write chainage, then it is also fine. If it is in the question paper, it is given chainage is the 20 meter, then you can write 0, 40, 60, 80, so 20 meter difference. So let's just keep this point. So back side, intermediate side, fourth side. So you noted down the data. Station, back side, intermediate side, fourth side. Then the next column depends upon your method. If your method is rise fall, then you can write down rise, fall, next R. If your method is height of instrument, then you can write down height of instrument, R. Then the last column is based upon the remarks. Last column is always based upon the remarks. So this is the standard tabular format which you will prepare in your examination. If the question is written in wording format, I think always the question in the semester in the internal they setting in wording format. There is no tabular format of question paper. So it's the more important point. How can I prepare the table? So first, let's mark the station. First station 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the serial numbers. Then first, then read out the readings. So first reading definitely will be back side. Number 1, first reading. You can check your notebook. The first reading, that is the reading given 2.375. Then there is 2 intermediate side reading. So you fill the number 2 and number 3. always the student mistakes to note down this reading. First backside, last foresight. Any readings between them will be intermediate. But never start the readings from here. Again the same point. To prepare, fill the backside here, intermediate side here, then foresight here. Then again, backside here, intermediate side here, then last foresight. So same you can fill this cross mark, this X. So let's say that the value is X. So this is the backside, intermediate, foresight. Again, backside, intermediate, foresight. On the same way, I have prepared the data for the first setup. First point, second point, third point, fourth point. You write down the point number 5, 6, 7, 8. The readings. The reading number 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8 reading, the instrument is shifted. So definitely it will be 9 number readings, 10 number readings, 11 number readings, 12 number readings. The 12 readings we have taken from the 3 setup. So first, 1, 2, 3, 4. One setup. 5, 6, 7, 8. One setup. 9, 10, 11, 12. One setup. So backside and foresight is the first and last. Any reading between them will be intermediate. By using this tabular format, you can fill this. Already I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just fill 5 number of readings, 6 readings, 7 reading, 8 reading, 9, 10, 11, 12. By using any method, like that form method or height of instrument method, you can solve this numeric. So on this class only I deal with the how can you prepare your tables, hence problem on reduction level, and how can you prepare the data if the data is written in Word format. Important thing, just check after the fourth reading instrument is shifted or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, that means instrument is shifted. 5, 6, 7, 8, after the 8 points instrument is shifted. So in the question paper it is given 1 point, 2, 3, 4, there is 12 readings. After the fourth readings instrument is shifted. After the 8th reading instrument is shifted. So you can check same here I have prepared in this tabular format. Then this thing I will discuss on my coming video. So if you have any doubts, you can ask on the comment section. Otherwise contact through email ID. I think this is clear. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you.